Newton's third law says that if two bodies interact, the magnitude of the force exerted on object 1 by object 2 is equal to the magnitude of the force simultaneously exerted on object 2 by object 1, and these two forces are opposite in direction. In other words, Newton's third law means that for every action there is an equal and opposite reaction.
When two objects interact with one another, the forces they exert on each other are called an action-reaction pair. An action-reaction pair is a pair of simultaneous, equal, but opposite forces resulting from the interaction of two objects. In physics, the action-reaction force occurs at the same time as the action force. Some everyday examples of Newton's third law of motion are
A bird in flight,
rocket engine thrust,
a hammer hitting a nail,
someone pushing on a wall,
someone paddling a kayak,
the kickback of a cannon,
pushing off on a skateboard, and Newton's cradle. Another example for Newton's third law is a balloon car.
As the number of collisions within the balloon increases, so does the pressure within the balloon. In addition, the pressure of the gas inside the balloon becomes greater than the air pressure outside of the balloon. When you release the opening of the balloon, gas quickly escapes to equalize the pressure inside with the air pressure outside of the balloon. The escaping air exerts a force on the balloon itself. The balloon pushes back in a manner described by Newton's third law of motion. That opposing force, called thrust in this case, propels the rocket forward.
Newton's third law can also be applied in the game of soccer.
As the ball hits the wall pushes back on the ball with the same force applied. When a fish swims, it pushes the water backwards using its fins. What happens then is the water pushes the fish forward with the same force as the fish had exerted on the water. Hence, action-reaction force pairs enables the fish to swim.